Wall Street is shaking right now. SPY just broke into record territory and investors are either celebrating or panicking. The excitement is palpable, with traders on the floor reacting to every tick of the stock ticker. The financial district is buzzing with activity, and the air is thick with anticipation. But amidst the chaos, a question looms large. What's really driving this surge? Is it the result of solid fundamentals, or is there something more speculative at play? Analysts are poring over data, trying to make sense of the sudden spike. Investors are huddled in discussions, debating the sustainability of this rally. The charts show a clear upward trend, but the underlying reasons are still a topic of intense debate. Is this AI-fueled rally just hype? Or is there a deeper, more fundamental shift happening in the market? The role of artificial intelligence in driving stock prices has been a hot topic. Some believe that AI is revolutionizing industries and creating new opportunities for growth. Others are skeptical, viewing it as a bubble that could burst at any moment. Or are we witnessing the start of a new market era? The iconic bull and bear statues stand as symbols of market sentiment, with investors closely monitoring trends on their screens. The visualization of the stock market rally paints a picture of optimism, but the question remains, is this the beginning of a long-term trend, or just a temporary spike? In just 2 minutes I'll break down exactly why SPY is trending, and what you need to do before the next move. Stay tuned as we dive into the key factors driving the surge and what it means for your investment strategy. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, understanding these dynamics is crucial. First, tech giants like Nvidia, Microsoft, and AMD just exploded after insane AI earnings. These companies have been at the forefront of the AI revolution, and their recent earnings reports have exceeded all expectations. The market has responded with enthusiasm, driving their stock prices to new heights. And since these are the heaviest hitters in SPY, the ETF took off like a rocket. The performance of these tech giants has had a ripple effect, propelling the entire ETF to record levels. Investors are celebrating the gains, but the rapid ascent also raises questions about sustainability. When AI wins, SPY wins. The integration of AI into various sectors has created a wave of optimism, with many believing that this technology will continue to drive growth. The correlation between AI advancements and SPY's performance is becoming increasingly evident, but it's not just that. There are other factors at play that are contributing to this surge. Financial analysts are dissecting market trends, and investors from all walks of life are coming together to understand the broader picture. The stock market summary screens are filled with data, each piece telling a part of the story. The US and China just called a 90-day truce on tariffs, easing global tension and boosting stock futures overnight. SPY loved it. This truce has provided a much-needed respite from the trade tensions that have been weighing on the market. The positive reaction in stock futures was immediate, and SPY's performance reflects this newfound optimism. Now all eyes are on inflation data this week. The upcoming inflation reports are critical, as they will provide insights into the broader economic environment. Investors are keenly focused on these numbers, knowing that they could influence future market movements. If the Fed chills on rate hikes, we could see even more upside. The Federal Reserve's stance on interest rates is a key factor that could drive further gains. If they decide to hold off on rate hikes, it could provide additional fuel for the market rally. But here's the twist. Technical analysts see a rising wedge. This pattern is often seen as a bearish signal, indicating that a pullback could be on the horizon. Traders are closely watching these chart setups, trying to anticipate the next move, a setup that often ends in a sharp pullback. The rising wedge pattern has historically been associated with market corrections. Financial analysts are predicting that we could see a sharp pullback if this pattern holds true. Investors are becoming increasingly concerned about the potential for a downturn. Are we flying too close to the sun? The metaphor of Icarus flying too close to the sun is apt here. The market's rapid ascent has led to concerns about overbought conditions. Investors are worried that we might be setting ourselves up for a fall. This could be your biggest profit window, or your biggest mistake. The current market conditions present both opportunities and risks. Making the right decision now could lead to significant profits, but a wrong move could result in substantial losses. It's a critical moment for investors. Should you buy, sell, or hold SPY right now? The decision to buy, sell, or hold is never easy, especially in such a volatile market. Each option has its own set of risks and rewards. Consulting with financial advisors and staying informed is crucial. Drop your thoughts below and don't forget to smash that like button if this helped you stay ahead of the herd. Engaging with the community and sharing insights can provide valuable perspectives. Your comments and likes help us understand what matters most to you. Markets move fast, but now, you move faster. Staying ahead of market movements is key to making informed decisions. With timely updates and insights, you can navigate the fast-paced world of investing with confidence.